Hi Whitehall, hope you're staying safe. I thought I'd do a little video today to go through apostrophes. Okay, now my first part is I'm going to talk about singular apostrophes. Now if you notice down here I've got little helper. Okay, now my little helper is Oakley and she's a tortoise. Okay, now because I've only got one of her, this is when I'm talking about singular apostrophes. Okay, and now I've written the tortoise's tail was wagging. Okay, now she's in possession of her tail, she owns her tail, so I put the apostrophe before the S. Okay, but if I had two tortoises, so I've got plural, which means I've got more than one, okay, my apostrophe would go after the S. Okay, so it would be the tortoises' tails are wagging. Okay, now there's another use of apostrophes, and this is when we have contractions. Okay, and this is when we start off with a couple of words and we shorten them down, we contract them. So instead of writing do not, I could write don't. Okay, instead of I will, I could put I'll, and the apostrophe goes where the letters I've taken out go. Okay, so I've written a sentence saying they're hoping to go back to sleep, so that would be they are hoping to go back to sleep, and I think Oakley's hoping that I leave her alone now and she has a bit of a sleep. Okay, hope everyone stays safe, see you all soon.